Welcome to Ontario, where finding the right neighborhood is key to calling a place home. It's about the house, community, amenities, and your fit. Ontario, rich in diverse communities, offers a variety of amenities that cater to different needs. Choosing a place here is about understanding your preferences and lifestyle. Let's explore the key factors you should consider. First, think about proximity to work and schools. Keep your daily commute in mind as it influences your lifestyle profoundly. The right neighborhood, with manageable commutes and reputable schools, is key. Your quality of life depends on these factors, so it's crucial to find such a neighborhood. Next, consider the community and lifestyle fit. It's crucial to understand that each area has its own distinct energy, reflecting its blend of residents. Exploring the neighborhood, taking note of local amenities, observing social interactions, and even the general atmosphere can help you gauge this. Spend some weeks experiencing the culture and rhythm of daily life. This will help to ascertain if its aura correlates with your lifestyle. Don't forget about amenities and services. Proximity to fundamental services like markets, green spaces, and leisure centers is vital. Such amenities can significantly influence your living experience. Utilize platforms like WalkScore to assess your neighborhood's accessibility. Use tools like WalkScore to find out what's nearby. Safety and security always hold the topmost priority. It's crucial to be well informed about the environment you live in or plan to move to. Information is power. Knowing where and what the potential risks are is key to ensuring your safety. To do this, a simple yet effective way is to visit your local police department's official websites. They post regular updates about crime rates, safety measures, and relevant information regarding specific neighborhoods. So always remember, check local police department websites for crime statistics and safety information about specific neighborhoods. Finally, look into future development plans. It's important to research what's lined up for a neighborhood. This could include new schools, businesses, or transportation plans. Any future changes can significantly affect your property's value and your quality of life. Considering factors and using resources, you can find a neighborhood in Ontario that meets your needs and enhances your lifestyle. Home is more than just a residence. It is a setting for life's various events. Choose wisely.